All right, everybody, on my next flight out to promote some three-wheel stuff going down. I'm enjoying this. It's my 4th time flying out, working with the company Show Chrome. So I'm gonna put out some new stuff for y'all, and this is great. Check it out. I'm in the new airport, new terminal for Delta in LaGuardia. So I'm gonna keep y'all updated as I travel more and bring you some cool stuff. So I can't wait to get to Kentucky and see what they got for everybody over there. It's gonna be a real cool event. Alright, so I'm departing now. I'm heading out to Kentucky. I upgraded for the even more seating. So if you're gonna fly, I would definitely get the upgrade. Look. Well worth it. So I'll be landing tonight and bringing you some dope footage. Follow the journey. Louisville, Kentucky. Just landed. I can't even hear, my ears popping. It's one of the worst flights I ever took. This thing was bouncing the whole time. But the flight was only an hour and a half. So, first time in Louisville, Kentucky. Let's see what it looks when I get outside. Hotel?
No, taxi.
Yeah. Credit?
Yeah. Downtown.
Yeah. 320 West Jefferson Street?
Yep, that's for downtown.
Alright, cool. Nice. Here we are. Let's see what it looks like.
6th floor, going down.
This hotel is nice. Look at this. Let's go see the room. Just gotta find the light switch. There we go. Here we go. Here we go. Left the TV on. Again with a twin bed. Sorry guys, I was starving, so I had to order me a pizza. I needed something. Day 1. So I just arrived in Louisville, Kentucky. Now I'm gonna have breakfast and then head over to set up the event. I'm gonna show you what it looks like to set up an entire trade show, but right now I'm gonna have me some breakfast from inside the hotel. Thank you. And some fresh orange juice. Give me some eggs. And I'll start walking through this area. When I'm done eating breakfast, I'm gonna walk through and give you a little tour of the convention center area. It was pretty nice. Went there last night, but everything was closed. My flight got in late. So we're gonna do something tonight when we get out. A lot of companies here today. It's gonna be crowded. I'm here in the convention center now. It's humongous at the show. Getting ready to set up. So this place is big. Check it out. This is huge. I gotta go up to A and sign in. So I had to reach out for a slingshot and a Can-Am Ryker. I solidified both. Now I just gotta pray that they show up to the event. So both people said they would. See. Well, we'll figure it out. So, damn, it's loud in here. So if you've never been to if you've been to a convention center, this is what it looks like pre-setup. So you show up and everybody's here delivering stuff, setting up their booths for the weekend. But I arrived at my booth, and let me show you what's here. So you look around, you see everybody got deliveries and things like that. I show up to my booth, and I get this. Nothing. Everybody's getting deliveries. Everybody's setting up. I don't have nothing here yet, not even a carpet. So this is what it's like to set up for events. So as soon as we get everything built, I'll show you the process on how to start it and get everything up and running. Okay, so I showed you before when I started, there was nothing, no carpet, no nothing on the ground. I'm sweating bullets because this is no joke to put together. So I just erected the wall. That's in. So we got the Can-Am Ryker. Look, I'm forgetting. I'm sweating so much. We got Can-Am Ryker. All the stuff came in to build the displays. Walls up. I'm just going to finish up here. As you can see, all the companies are setting up and building. I got a custom slingshot coming in, and well, we're just going to keep on building. I'm not going to show you the whole process of putting everything together, but you can see everything comes in piecemeal. Even that has to be set up. The show chrome wall has to be set up. The Ryker already came accessorized with all the show chrome parts. Check it out. Handlebar dampeners, passenger pegs, driver floorboards. We have the front spoiler, radiator grill, windshield, of course, center caps, reverse shift lever cap, and of course my favorite, backrest, driver and passenger. Oh, I can't forget this, the bra to keep from scratching. That's a must right there. And these pockets to store your accessories. Cool stuff. Handlebar riser for my tall guys, girls, sorry. Gauge riser also. Bring everything up to height, especially. That's pretty much it. I'll show you what it looks like when the slingshot comes in.
straight back.
You good? Straight?
Over. What do you think? An eagle?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. The Ryker's gonna end up moving. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, that's good. Just a little bit further back, so we're off the carpet, or so we're full on the carpet. You got space?
Yeah, he's good. You good? You good?
That's good.
You good? Perfect.
Where's the roof?
What's up?
Where's the roof?
The sling is here. Roof's on the side, leaning up against it.
Yeah, what is it called?
All right, so the sling is here, and I already started installing some of the parts. I just did the armrest pads and the e-brake cover. I'm gonna do the glove box. So this is what you have so far. I'm just gonna add all the custom pieces and you still gotta do some more work for the display for show chrome. All right, so I'm in the slingshot right now. I'm at the exhibit. We're setting up. I'm finishing up putting up all the products in the slingshot. It's getting to, I don't even know, what time is it? It's 5 o'clock. Been here since 9. Got most of the displays up, and probably gonna kill it at 6 o'clock. Go get some eat, enjoy a little bit of Tennessee, lock things up. I said Tennessee, Kentucky. I'll be walking around and taking in some of the sights of Kentucky. So, thanks everybody. This is just going to keep going on and on. So I appreciate you following the vlog and following my journey. But there'll be more videos coming left and right. So I'm here at MVP, repping Show Chrome, and guess who's here?
On your bike. Also lifts up for your convenience. Nice quality product right here. And it's got the what's that called? What would this be called? Like the tread or
What? The grip?
high density rubber.
High density rubber grip. So
High
no
density
slip.
Rubber grips.
No slips.
Yeah, high density rubber grip, no slip.
No slip.
Okay, 3, 2. All right, guys.
So we're here now. Irv is filming some commercials. He's doing some shorts for Show Chrome. We're out here repping the brand. Let me show you. There's so much going on here. All the major players in the game are here today, showing their parts, all their accessories. So we're here to do some serious business, help the brand move forward.
Tires,
Springs,
oil,
helmets.
oil filters. Like if you in the motorcycle business, you got to be here. Like it's just a mandatory thing.
Live on IG at the, what are we on, Ryker Bike Shop or Irv McCoy?
We on the Irv McCoy page.
Irv McCoy page. Irv, 10 followers. Where's everybody at?
We gotta let it warm up. Usually when I add people
well, let me
on,
read some of the comments. I gotta put on my glasses. You waved at KEs. Okay, you better choose the right team if you want to grow. Rolling on 3 said, choose the right team if you want to grow.
What's the right team? Hey, what's up, bro?
Hey, let me go help this guy out.
Right.
Go ahead, Irv.
All
Keep
right.
it live. So what's up, brother?
Hey, how's it going?
All right, let me show you guys what it looks like. All right, Joe Chrome is here. Keith is here. My guy Keith is right here. Right, Keith came a day early. He built this whole display by hand. We installed all these parts. It took him 24 hours.
Not 24 hours, but it was a long time, for
Joe
real.
Chrome appreciates everything you're doing. All right.
Irv, you calling me? Okay, last day, news. Louisville, Kentucky. It's a cold and gloomy day, but had a great time coming out. I seen this thing and it's crazy, and I have to go take a picture or a video with it. So I'm gonna go inside the welcome center and say hey. Good morning. Good morning. I saw this. I'm all the way from New York City. I saw the Kentucky Fried Chicken guy, and I said I have to take a video with it for my YouTube channel. All right?
Go for it.
Thank you. Check it out. Me and the Colonel having a good time. See y'all soon. Y'all want to be on YouTube? Y'all want to be on my channel? Say hi.
They do. They're big here.
Appreciate y'all. Thank you.
Have a good one. Yeah, you too.
So that was it. That's me and the Chicken Man. See you in the next video. Follow these vlogs. I'm having so much fun. This is great traveling all over. Ride safe, everybody. Ride safe.